This conference will now be recorded.
How a boy and girl will communicate. Boy is sending message, girl is receiving. Girl is sending message, boy is receiving. Girl father came, girl doesn't want to receive the message, want to mute. How to mute? Again, father went, she wants to unmute, start receiving messages. So we will do this for you also when we come to the LWC Lightning Web component. This is how the Lightning Web component pages are created. LWC, just to give you a future upcoming. This is the way we'll be doing the LWC programming. So it will be completely different programming you will learn with me. Right, so anyhow, that's done. Let's get to your subject. So please focus, right? Your high level classes will start. Actually, it's starting today. It will be low, but tomorrow it will be seeing that it will be high level. It will go. Now, today we will start LDS, Lightning Data Service. Put a heading called LDS. Put a heading called as LDS, Lightning Data Service. Lightning Data Service. Put a heading called as LDS, Lightning Data Service. Did we do it, LDS? No, right? I didn't start it. Am I? Or didn't I?
No,
Okay.
Rupam, not yet.
No, right? Okay. Put a heading called as LDS. Very important. In interview, they will ask you, what is an LDS? Lightning Data Service. Write down. Lightning Data Service is a centralized data caching framework. Lightning Data Service is a centralized data caching framework. Lightning Data Service is a centralized data caching framework. Caching, it's there on the screen. Caching framework, which is used to load, save, create, delete a record without server-side Apex code. The definition is there on the screen. Lightning Data Service is a centralized data caching framework which is used to load, save, create, and delete a record without writing server-side programming. These many days, to create an account, I was using Apex, right? To retrieve a data, I was using Apex. Now going forward, we will not use any Apex. No Apex. No Apex. Right? No Apex. We will use a service which is already available called as LDS. LDS are of two types. Write down. Form-based, programming-based. LDS are of two types. LDS are of two types. Number one, form-based. Number two, programming-based. In the form-based, you have three. Form-based, we have three. Lightning, record view form, Lightning record view form. First one. Second one, Lightning, right? Lightning record edit form. And the last one is, right, Lightning record form. There are three. Lightning record view form is used to display data in a read-only mode. You can't edit it. Read-only mode. You can't edit it. With this, you will be using lightning output field. Lightning output field. With this, you'll be using lightning. 1 minute, I'll reduce the font little. With this, you'll be using lightning output field. Record edit form. This form is used to input / accept data, right? Always in edit mode. With this, you use lightning input field. We use lightning input field. EDIT, edit mode. Edit mode. Mode is edit. Here we go. Lightning record form, right? Both, right? Used, right? Used for output. OUT, PUT. I'll put like this. Used for output. That second one is for input. For both INPUT input and output. And output. There is nothing. We don't use any command there. This is the form based. This is the form based. 02, programming based. Programming based. For a programming based, you have to use force data. Force data. In the force data, you have 3 methods. Write down. Right? Okay, I'll put it there. Your medium, I will not say high. Okay, high level classes are starting from today. Get new record. B. Reload record. C. Save record. D. Delete record. Here we go. Programming has force data. In the force data, you have to use this. Force record data, sorry. RECORD. Force record data. There we go. This is programming based. It's there on the screen. Copy it. LDS. Lightning Data Service. Clearly, I'm giving you. Lightning Data Service. What is Lightning Data Service? It's an inbuilt service available from Salesforce to retrieve, to get, right? To get, to load, to save, to create, delete a record without writing server-side controller, without writing Apex program. If you want to get a data on a page, if you want to delete a data, if you want to insert a data, we used a service which is called as LDS. LDS are of 2 types, form-based, programming-based. In the form-based, there are 3. Record view form, record edit form, record form. Whenever you use record view form, it is only for output, read only. You can't double click, you can't change it, you can't edit it. And with that, we use lightning output field. Record edit form. This is for accepting any type of input data, right? To edit a data, to enter a new data. Whenever you want to enter a new data, you use edit form. Whenever you want to, already the data is entered, you want to change it, then you use edit form. And the field we used is called input field. Mix of both is record form. Both input and output is available here. Similarly, programming based. In a programming based, we have force record data. In the force record data, we have 4 methods. Get new record, reload record, save record, delete record. Everybody clear on the theory perspective? Yes, sir. Everybody clear with the theory perspective? Right? What is LDS? It is an inbuilt service. Inbuilt service. It's a centralized data caching service. It's a framework. It's a technology. You can call it anything. It's a framework. It's a technology. It's a pre-written program to what? In Lightning to get the data from database without writing Apex program. Going forward, we'll not use Apex. Today, we will see the form based. And tomorrow, we will see the programming based. Today, form based, tomorrow, programming based. Let's start with the form based. Lightning record view form. Let me go ahead, log in. Rupam @OF, sorry, LT123.com, password CRM1234 hash. I log into my Salesforce. I log into my Salesforce. I log into my Salesforce. Right? I log into my Salesforce. Let me identify a record first. App Manager. Click on View All. Right? Click on Sales. Click on Account. Open any account. Let me open this Burlington Textile Corp of America. Or I will look for an account called as Grand Hotel and Resort. All accounts. A system account called as Grand Hotel and Resort. I'm looking for that Grand Hotel. All accounts, Burlington, here it is, Grand Hotel and Resort. Because in this opportunities are there, in this contacts are there, so many things are there. That's okay. I got the details. I see that every data is filled. Address is filled. Completely. All the data is fully filled. I copy the ID as of now. I click on Setup. I click on Developer Console. Right? In a single example, I'll show you everything. File, close all. File, new, Lightning component. LC underscore today's date 2901 underscore example1 underscore LDS underscore form. LDS form. I click on submit. Right, there we go. Now here, let me start showing you. LIGHT Lightning layout. Lightning layout. Right? Lightning layout. Inside that, LIGHT Lightning LAYOUT item. Lightning layout item. Size equals to 3 or 4. Let me show this first. Mute please. There's a mic getting unmuted.
Layout spelling.
Layout spelling. Okay. LAYOUT. LAY. Thank you. LAY. What happened? LAYOUT item.
You're writing something in Lightning 4th line, so that's why.
Writing. Okay. Let me remove it. No, it's right. Perfect. Now let's go ahead. Lightning card. Title equals to LDS form. First one I'm taking. What is that? Lightning. First one I'm taking. Right? First one I'm taking. Record view form. First one, record view form. Here also I'm creating one more card. Let me show this first to you. LDS form, record edit form. Let us take, right, lightning layout item, size equals to 4, lightning layout item. There we go. There are 2 layouts with size 4 plus 4, or I can take 6 plus 6, 12, half. Chalo, done. 6 plus 6, 12. Control S on the keyboard. Now, how to use, keep watching, how to use lightning record form. There we go. I'm starting using it. LIGHT lightning, RECORD record, right? View, FORM, lightning, like this you have to use. Space, record ID. Which data you want to display? As of now, I'm hard coding, but I will change it very soon. So don't say that, Rupam, why are you hard coding? Just for training purposes, to show you I'm hard coding the ID. Object OBJEC, object API name. What object is? Account. With lightning record view form, you are supposed to use what? Lightning output field. LIGHT lightning OUT PUT output field FIELD. Field name equals to name. How many fields you want? That many times you'll copy. Sorry, excuse me. Name, phone, fax, industry, rating, sick, description, billing city, case sensitive. Remember that these are very well case sensitive. See, Control S on the keyboard, file, new, right, lightning application. I copy this, Control C. I say LA. I click on submit. I call this component here C component name. Extends equals to force SLDS. Control S. Click on preview. You see what happens. See, account name Grand Hotel and Resort, phone number something, fax number something, industry hospitality, rating warm, zip code 2268, description chain of hotels and resorts across US, UK, right, something, billing city Chicago. If I double click also, I can't edit it. This is read only, output only. Record view form is only to show the data. What is the real-time use? Whenever you want to print something, print preview. Whenever you are entering something and you want to show it before you save, right? In passport or wherever you see two screens will be there, one on the data entry side, one on the other side. They keep on entering and you keep on seeing. They will say, sir, details check cheskondi, check your details whether it's correct or not. Then you will go through one by one like this. Name, Grand Hotel, phone number 312. Right, okay. Then he will hit the save button. Such cases, in such scenario, you use it. Whenever you want that only to show the output, you cannot edit it, you can't change it. We use this view form. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Yes.
Yes.
Anyone has a doubt? I'm in hurry today, right? I need to go somewhere, right? So I'm in a little hurry today. So, right, if you're not able to understand, please pull chain to stop train. Don't wait for me to ask you whether you are able to understand or not. I'll ask very quickly. If you're not responding, that means it's okay. So record view form is used to display the data in a read-only mode where you can't edit it. Now I go to my developer console. Same thing I'll copy. Control, no, will not copy. Why copy? Let's do it. Next one, lightning. Lightning, what is that? In the place of record view form, it's record edit form. R-E-C-O-R-D, record, E-D-I-T, edit, F-O-R-M form. Earlier was view form, now I'm taking edit form. Remaining everything is same, right? Same thing. Same thing. Record edit form. ID equals to this, object API name is account. Inside that field, in the place of output, you will say lightning input, L-I-G-H-T-N-I-G. Lightning INPUT input. Lightning input. Field name equals to name. Like this, how many you want? That many times you'll paste. Paste, paste, paste. Sorry, what I'm writing? Right, lightning input field. F-I-E-L-D. Lightning input field should be used with a lightning input field. Now paste it, paste, 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 paste. Name, phone, fax. By this time I'd have already written industry. Same thing. Rating. Same thing. Sick. Same thing. Description. Same thing. Billing city. See. Earlier it was output. Now it is input. Earlier it was record view form. Now it's record edit form. Control S on the keyboard. Come here and refresh. Next side will appear. See the difference. This side is always editable. Private LTD, right? See, you're getting a drop down also. Hospitality, entertainment. You're getting warm. I changed to hot. Zip code 226878. Chicago, New York. How to save it? We have to put a button. That we'll do later. See, New York. When I hit the button, the data has to be displayed there. We'll do that. We'll put the button later. Cancel will reset the data. Submit will show that. And after submit, I want a save button. All these things will do it. Edit form gives always in edit mode. View form always gives in a read-only mode. Edit form is used by the data entry operator, whereas view form is used by the customer. Customer will see what he is entering. After entering edit form, he will hit save, he will hit submit. Immediately the view form will populate and view form will show. Check cheskondi correct unda leda. Please check if it's correct or not. Yes, and then they will have a save button. They hit save, the data gets saved to the database. Record view form, record edit form. Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions? Perfect. From where am I taking this? As usual, Rupam. Lightning, component, lightning, component reference library. I'm going there. I'm going to this lightning component library. I'm taking from here. Under lightning, I'm taking from here. Right? Lightning record. Here it is. Record view form, record edit form. Now I will take record form. I'm taking from here, guys. Let me show you how to write a record. Anybody has any questions on view form and edit form? Looks quite simpler and similar, right?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. I close it, file, new lightning component, right? LC, example 2, LDS form, right? I will say record form. Record form. LDS form, record form, example 2. Now, Lightning layout. Inside this Lightning layout item. Size equals to 2. Like this, how many I can have? 6. 6 into 2, 12. In a one line, you can have 12. So 3 plus 3, 6, 12 is over. First one. I'm going to the first layout item. Lightning RECORD, record form. Lightning record form. I will have a self-closing. Why self-closing? Because inside this, I'm not writing input or output. Earlier, inside the record form, you have written an output field. Inside the edit, you have written input field. Here, we are not writing anything, nothing. Hence, it's a self-closing. If I'd have written something, then I'd have a double tag, opening tag, closing tag. But now I'm taking self-closing. Here it looks. Record ID is equals to. Once again, I'll take the Grand Hotel and Resort ID to show you. Object API name. Object API name. Object API name. Object API name equals to account. Right? Next, layout. There are two types of layouts available, full or compact. Layout equals to, from where you're taking Rupam, here I'm in record form, I go to the specification. Layout, right? It is layout type, sorry, layout type. There are possible values are compact and full. See, F capital, compact capital, two values are there. So layout, copy, layout. I will say full. Next, full or compact. There are only two choices, full. Next, mode. Go and check. There is something called as mode. Possible values are 3. View, edit, read only. View mode, edit mode, read only mode. I will take view mode. View mode equals to view. Mode equals to view. Mode equals to view. See, mode equals to view. Now I copy this. I go to the second one. Same thing. Mode equals to not view. I'll go ahead and I will take edit. Mode equals to edit. Same thing I'll copy. Full, all are full. Mode equals to, I'm changing the mode to show you the difference. Read only. Between all full, layout is full, mode read only. Next, again I'll copy the first one. This time I'll keep the mode and from full, I will change it to what? Compact. By the way, full is capital. Full is capital. F is capital. Full, 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 full. Mode, right? Mode is not full. This time we will take what? Compact. Compact. In compact view, in compact edit. In compact edit. In compact read only. Compact. 2 modes, 3 views. 2 into 3, 6. First 3 are full. In full, you have view, edit, read only. Second is compact. In that, you have view, edit, read only. Everybody clear? Anybody has any questions?
Sir, what is the difference between view and read only?
That we'll see, no?
Okay.
That is the reason I'm doing this exercise. Right? Control S, file, new. I create a lighting application. Copy the name. I will say LA. LA. I click on submit. Right? I call the component C:. I will say extends equals to force SLDS. I click on preview. Now you'll see the difference. First 3 are full. Second are compact. First one is view. Second one is edit. Third one is read only. Rupam, confusion, right? That's good. Paragraph tag. What is this? Full view. Mode is view. Next, everywhere I'm placing a mode is full. Layout is full. Mode is edit. EDIT. Next, paragraph tag. Mode is full. Sorry, layout is full. Mode is read only. Next, paragraph tag. Mode is compact. COMPACT. Next, why I'm saying mode every time? Layout is compact. COMPACT. Compact edit. Next, compact read only. This is a read only because I can see here read only. And mode is compact. So compact. Control S. Now things should be clear. I come here, I refresh. Now you have complete. Full will give you every field in Salesforce. In the page layout, if there are 50 fields, all the fields will be given to you. Full. Compact means whatever you have done in the compact layout. In the compact layout, whatever mobile layout, compact layout, if you remember admin classes. Full layout is nothing but page layout. Design 1, design 2. In that, there are 2 types of layout. Page layout, compact layout. This is a page layout. First 3 are page layout. Second 3 are, right? Second 3 are compact layout. In that, you have view, edit, read. View, edit, read only. View, edit, you know that, always in edit mode. You have just learned a couple of minutes back, we do that. Account site, HYDRABAD. See, edit, always edit mode. Always in edit mode. Read only, you can't change. You have already seen this too. See, in the read only, I'm in read only now. You can't change anything. Account site, can I change it? No. See, compact layout, same thing. View, you get a pen icon. See, when you click on this pen icon, it will change to edit. In the view, you click on the pen icon, it changed to edit. Now see that view and edit is same. Account site, I entered Hyderabad. See, both will have a save button towards the end. See, you click on save. Mute please, mute please.
Rupam, if I have compact load couple of things, then how it will read? Which one is it will take?
It will take a couple of fields. All the fields in the compact layout it will take. You have,
but
right?
In compact layout, if I have 4, for example,
4 designs.
then,
4 designs.
Yeah, 4 designs.
Whichever the user has access.
Okay, it's
right?
based on user access. Okay,
based on user access. So, right, which one of the user has access, the default one, the master one it will take. right? See, now I click on save, it changed to edit mode. Edit mode. See, edit also changed to view mode. You hit the save button, the data gets saved. You don't need to write, and there's a pen icon. There's a pen icon. See, in the compact layout also same thing. Edit mode will be always editable with a save button, whereas view mode will come as a read only, but there is a pen icon to edit. You'll have a pen icon. Customer direct. I change it from customer direct to customer channel, and I hit the save button. Again, it will go back to your view mode. This is called view mode. Where you see, whenever you go to an account, you click on any account, you click on details. This page is what mode? What is the mode?
View mode.
Which mode?
View mode.
It's a view mode page, correct. Whenever you click on new contact, what mode?
Edit mode.
Edit mode. In edit mode, you can enter the data. See, it's an edit mode. Mode is edit. Here the mode is view. Whenever you click on it, it comes in edit mode. You change the data, you hit save. In view, you will get the button default automatically. You see that here also we are getting the button default. As soon as you click on edit, automatically the button will come. Save and cancel. Same thing is happening here. See, cancel and save. Same button came in account. So these are view mode. Able to understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
When I click on save, it is saving to that account, right? Particular account.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
You change the number of location from 57 to 500 and you hit save. Now go ahead and check in account. Account. I open Grand Hotel and Resort. I should be able to see number of location 500. Number of locations. Where is that? Here it is. See, the data got saved without writing any Apex program. You can make a change to a record. See, did I write that update or insert? We'll create also. We'll create also. Don't worry about it. Right? Perfect. Everybody clear between all these? Now, Rupam, I don't want either full or compact. I want my selective fields. Naki full gododdu, naki compact gododdu. I want my fields. I want name, phone, fax, email. Sorry, email ledhu kada. Name, phone, fax, industry, rating. Ante. Is it there in compact? Name, phone, industry, rating, right? Compact la rating ledhu. I'm not able to see rating. See, it is there in full, but in full, I'm getting long list. I don't want that. I want billing city. I don't want the complete address. No, billing city only I want. Then, whenever you want your custom, how to do this? Closing, closing, file, new, lightning component. I will say LC example 3 record form custom. Mute please, mute please. Even a doubt? So now I'm creating a custom one. Whenever you want to use, for example, I will say lightning card. Mute please, mute please. Lightning card. Lightning card. Title equals to LDS. Mostly we will use record form, RECORD, record form, because it has both. Record form has both input and output, plus save button. You have save button, plus save button, save and cancel button. save and cancel button. You have both the buttons plus save and cancel. So I'm taking, right, lightning record form custom. Custom field, custom field, custom field. How to do that? Right now you see lightning RECO or the record form self-closing. Record ID RECO or the record ID is equals to, as of now, once again, I'm going ahead and taking the Grand Hotel and Resort one. For the time being, we will change it later. We will take it dynamic, record form. Object API name equals to account.
In
Perfect.
object API name also we can do dynamic.
Yes, we can. We can declare a variable and we can pass it. We can create an attribute with a component.set. We can do that. Record ID also, we can say component.set. You can do, you know that component.set from a controller, you can set a value. So yes, 100%. Right now, what are the fields you want? Whichever fields you want, you have to declare an aura attribute. Aura, attribut, aura attribute. Name equals to my field, my fields. Type equals to right. 1 minute, I'm just checking my text message. Okay, type equals to string, but it's an array of a string. Default is equals to which are the fields you need. You can give here. I want the name, I want the phone, I want the fax, case sensitive, I want the industry, I want the rating, I want the billing city. That's it. I created an attribute called my field with a string array, with the array type more than one. And here is the field name. Now I will come here. I will say fields. If you go back in the record, you have fields. See, list of fields. The fields display in order. Order your list. So fields, control C. Fields. Fields equals to, what is that? Fields equals to exclamation v dot my fields. Mode equals to edit. Mode equals to what is that? Now you know that there are three modes: edit, read only, right? What is that? View. I will say view. Mode equals to view. I will not use layout now because layout will give a default layout. I want my own custom fields. Control S on the keyboard. What is that? Lightning card. Did I made a spelling mistake? Okay, don't use any dash. Control S.
Lightning
Okay.
spelling wrong.
Lightning lightning. Control S. Okay. Control S. Save. File. New. Lightning application. I copy this. I say LA. I save it. I'm creating an application. I'll say C colon. I call it. I say extends equals to force SLDS. Control S. I click on preview so that it appears. See, only the selective fields that I want. Naku full రావట్లేదు, compact రావట్లేదు. I'm not bringing a full layout. I'm not bringing a compact layout. I'm bringing what? Right? I can edit it. Yes, the data will be saved. Yes, from hospitality, I change it to entertainment and I click on save. The data gets saved in the original database. I get save plus cancel free with this button. It's an offer, it's coming. Mostly we use lightning record form in real time. Whenever you want to enter a data, we use record form. Whenever you want to show only the data, we use view form. Whenever you want to perform both, then we use this. We use record form. In record form, you can enter, you hit save, it goes to the read-only mode. Again, you can edit it. You can do this. Rupam, I want this column to be 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Come here. Yes. There is a property available. Column. Specify the number of column in the form. Columns. I will say columns equals to 2. Columns equals to 2. Control S. Columns equals to 2 I gave. By default, column is 1. In classic, by default, column is 2. Here, by default, it's 1. See? 2. Now it came 2 side by side. 2. I don't need a page layout. I can use like this. By default, it comes with 1 in Lightning. By default, it comes with 2 in Classic. In Classic, we have to say column equals to 1, but here you need not to say. See, now it's become 3. 3 by 3. See, 3. Column equals to 4. The field will be displayed in 4 column. You don't need to have a layout. Enter. See, woof, now it's getting scattered because number of fields are reducing. Total I have 7 field. I need an 8. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second field, see, system has not properly. There are only 2 fields. So second line it has taken 2. First line it has taken 4. If you give 2 more, then it will balance because now total I have 6. But you said in the 2 columns split 6, so it's splitting it like this. No, I want to control. Then you use page layout. Everybody able to understand? Yes or no? Everybody is able to understand? Yes or no?
What if I want to take a
Yes.
number field, like number of employees?
And got it. Once again, what do you want to do if you want to take?
I want to display number of employees in here. Again, I have to take another attribute, or
Number of employee means?
there is a field in account, right? Number of employees. Here you take all
Yeah.
the string type.
Come on, right, that's correct. No, you have to say number of employees, comma, whatever the field
But
name is.
would be a string
That's
type, right?
right string.
I want to take a
What
number.
I'm not
I
able to
think he
understand.
means integer. If we need to take integer fields.
Then declare one more attribute, but here you have to pass it to my field only. Integer
I
means
pass
what?
two attributes in one single field.
No, you cannot. How can you pass 2 attributes to one single field? Come on. In the name field only, you will enter name and first name. In the first name itself, you'll enter first name and age. Is it possible?
No, actually, for these fields, I want to take another extra field that is number type. So what I have to do now?
For this, you have to create one more field called extra number type. I'm not getting it.
No, in the
Sir,
account, number of
You want,
sir, we want to
yes.
take number of locations, which is an integer. Now we have declared a string. So if we want number of locations, so how can we get that?
Number of location means where? What is that? What does that
Uh,
mean? Number of location.
like name, phone, fax, industry. Even we
Correct.
want to return number of locations.
You want to count the number of fields? That's what you're telling me?
No, sir.
No,
Like phone facts,
Uh-huh.
we have declared number of locations as 500. So I want to get that field here.
So, comma, no, mama. Okay. How many fields you want? Arey, come on, guys. You want,
No.
I
Actually,
said,
what we are confused is
That
that
is
is
string type. Number type. Here,
now we
these
have
are all
string.
one by one. Let's discuss one by one. Yes, tell me. You want
No,
number
sir,
of
here you are.
field to be here.
Number type, right? So here you declared the type as string of arrays, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I want to take a number
Guys,
separately where I have to.
hello. Wait, cool. Come, I got it now. String is what? My field data type is string. Whether this name field is a decimal, whether that name field is a number, whether that name field is a integer, whether that name field is a list, whether that name field, irrespective of that, finally the label of that field is what? Name. It is not defining the data type. Try to understand. Billing city, zip code, for example, in zip code it's a number. Zip code is a number, comma, zip code. It doesn't mean that that zip code field has to be a string. Try to understand. Zip code is an integer field which will accept only numbers, for example. But zip code is what? It's a text. Finally, that zip code, it is not, I am just giving the labels, the label of the field. I'm not defining the data type of a field. మీరు అలా వెళ్ళారని నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. I have a mobile number, which is not a text, it's a number, mobile. Aadhaar, ADHAAR, Aadhaar __. Temperature, Hyderabad temperature, __. Whether that field is a decimal, whether that field is a number, whether that field is a text, whether that field is a boolean, whether that field is a ID, whether that field is a date, whether that field is a time, irrespective of that, all those are represented by the label of that field, the API name, and API name is a text. It's never a number. Now it's clear? Now it's clear?
Yes.
Yes. Everybody clear? So it has nothing to do with your data type of that field. Here I am taking mobile number. Mobile number is what? You are going into the data of the mobile. No. Finally, mobile number is, this is a label. This is a field name. The field name is text. Here, text is not defining the data type. Clear now what I'm saying? Everyone, got it? Right? Yes or no? For example, industry. What is the field type? What is the field type? List.
Right.
It's a list, right? Rating is a list. So you have to go ahead and give, right? Like this. For example, let's do it. You have, if you talk, I'm in this one. I click on setup. I click on edit object. I will introduce a field called as Aadhaar number in account, or a PAN number. Let's say Aadhaar number, right? I go to the fields and relationship and I'll create a number field. New. What is that? Aadhaar. Even though in account there is no Aadhaar, in contact we'll have Aadhaar, but let's take it. I'm taking a number field. It's a number now. You see that? It's an integer. What is that? Aadhaar. A Aadhaar number. Right? 18 digit, let it be. I'm not changing it. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Oh, why save and new? Save is enough. Now go ahead and copy Aadhaar __ C. It's a number field. Remember that. I have nothing to do with that. I have nothing to do with what is the field type. Control S on the keyboard. Go ahead and refresh. Aura. Next field called Aadhaar will come. It will not give a, see, Aadhaar number is empty. You can enter the number here. See, it's saved. No error at all. This is not a text field, it's a number field. Now it's clear. This is what you want. Got it?
Yes.
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 Perfect. Right? Now today we have seen this. Tomorrow I will extend your class to 2.5 hours. Is it okay for everyone? 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay, Rupam.
Right? So have your breakfast, then sit. Your class will go up to 12:30 in the afternoon. Right? 9:30 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11:30, 11:30 to 12:30 it will go. Right? Today's half hour plus 30 minutes additional. Total 1 hour I'll compensate tomorrow. Because tomorrow I need more time. Today this is form based. Ante inka form based line ledu. You have edit form, record form, but in the programming you need time tomorrow. That is the reason today's class I'll stop here. I will not start the programming and I'll leave half. Tomorrow at a single stretch I'll complete this programming so that the flow continues. Record view form, record edit form, and record form. The only thing that tomorrow we will start with a recollection is that we will change this ID from static to dynamic. First thing that we'll learn today, tomorrow in 20 minutes would be, how can I deploy this with a dynamic ID, Rupam? I don't want to hard code the ID. I want to put it dynamic. Automatically system should take. We will see this first and then we will get to the programming. Clear everyone? Right? So tomorrow, please make sure that you come with your, you have your breakfast and then sit. The same rule applies for me also, right? So if I'm 5-10 minutes late here and there, please stand by, right? Do not think Rupam will not come. He will, right? You know this very well. So don't get panicked if I'm 5 or 10 minutes late, right? Because I'll also have my breakfast and then I will sit. So that we continue till 12:30. So keep that expectation ready for tomorrow, right? Don't miss tomorrow's class. If anybody is planning to miss bunk, be careful. Do not miss tomorrow's class. I'll be dealing with programming, and that's to complete client-side programming. There'll be no server-side Apex programming. So how to use these, how to initialize, there's a lot of inside the get record, there are multiple parameters will come in. So you need to make sure that you understand this. Then we will decide in real time whether the form-based is used or the programming-based is used. When to use form-based, when to use programming-based. At what scenario I should use form, in which scenarios I should use program. That we will discuss and will decide. Right? So I'll stop here today, right? Because another 25 minutes, we'll not be able to complete a couple of topics. So we will compensate this in one stretch tomorrow. Everyone fine with it? With the plan? Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Meantime, please practice this program, right? Get ready with the form-based. Try to understand the form-based, right? That's it, guys. I'll let you go. Any questions, anyone?
Rupam, we can do UI was also we can create a form, I think.
Yes, we can. UI form we can create. Yes. And then you can store them in an attribute and then you can pass them. Yes, you can do that.
Not I am asking in admin only we can do we record
That is
edit
a
form,
page
view
layout.
form direct.
With a page layout, right? You do it with a
Yes.
page layout. Correct. You can do it a page layout. Right? But here you can create separately. There it comes as what form it creates? It creates, right, lightning record form. Through admin, you can create only lightning record form. You cannot create through admin lightning view form. It cannot be. It can be created only from here. Go and layouts are only record form. That is the reason I went and I showed you. No, I went to the account and I told you that, guys, what is this? This is a page layout. So this is called as record form. Whenever you hit the new button, then edit form loads. Where is the view form? Through admin, you cannot create view form. View form can be created only through lightning component. Getting it now?
Yes.
right? Perfect. Anyone has any other doubts? Anyone has any other doubts? That's it then. Just a 1 hour class today. Tomorrow, right? We will compensate this 1 hour tomorrow and we will have a 3 hours class. Okay. So thank you guys. Till then, have a nice and wonderful day. Bye bye guys. Take care.
Thank you, sir.